Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to import your Android SDK file into your Android Studio environment. So let's begin with downloading the SDK file. The easiest way is to go on Xsens.com, click on Products, Xsens. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and you will find this link here, Xsens.SDK for Android. Click on it, fill in all your details information, and then click on Submit. Then the file will be sent to your mailbox. So make sure you check your junk and spam folder as well. Once you download the file, then extract the folder and you will find something similar to this. You will have three files here: an Android SDK programming guide, which is a document that we're going to take a look at in order to begin programming with the SDK. The SDK Core Android AAR package, which we're going to import into Android Studio, and the core documentation in case you want to have additional information about the functions and libraries. So let's begin with taking a look at the programming guide for iOS and take a look at the minimum requirements here. Make sure you satisfy these when you begin developing your own app with Android. Secondly, there are some prerequisites that we need to satisfy when creating a new Android Studio project, which we're going to take a look at. So let's move to Android Studio, File, New Project, Empty Activity. Let's call it Example Tutorial Video. Make sure the location is right, and the minimum SDK needs to be 26 as shown in here, 26 plus. So click on Finish. Okay, once the project is ready, let's import the SDK package into your environment. So click on File, New Module, scroll to the bottom and click on Import AAR Package, click on Next, and here find the file that you had in the folder. Here for simplicity I placed it in C, but you can feel free to choose whichever folder you prefer. Click on OK, click on Finish. Let's wait for the Gradle to sync, and now let's set the dependencies correctly. So click on File, Project Structure, Dependencies, click on App, which should be your main dependency, click on Module Dependency, select the SDK Core Android, click on OK, click on OK. Let's wait for the Gradle to sync, and now the SDK is correctly imported into your project. And if you further take a look at the programming guide, then you can begin programming with the Android SDK, so you can start implementing the callbacks. I hope this was helpful.